Tesla conveyed the underlying 30 Model 3s on Friday with plans to make 100 in August and 1,500 in September. Creation is intended to slope to 20,000 Model 3s in December, which will be expected to fulfill pre-orders that are presently more than 500,000. Alongside conveying the Model 3s, the organization gave valuing to extra choices, which raises the inquiry: how much will individuals spend for a Model 3, and will that affect what number of individuals get it? Elon Musk followed through on his guarantee that the base Model 3 would cost $35,000. At that value, the auto's range is 220 miles, yet a proprietor should pay an extra $5,000 to get the enhanced autopilot highlights and another $3,000 to get full self-driving ability. When it winds up accessible, a proprietor can likewise overhaul the batteries to have a 310-mile go for $9,000. So the choices are: base auto with a 220-mile run for $35,000, broadened scope of 310 miles for $44,000, include an enhanced autopilot highlight for $49,000, 40% higher than the base cost, include full self-driving capacity for a sum of $52,000, 49% higher. From Tesla's site, the principal generation autos that are sold in November and December will cost $49,000, with standard battery models for $35,000 accessible in January to March. 1 year from now, a double-engine all-wheel drive vehicle is planned to be accessible in September. 1 year from now, with either a standard or broadened extend battery. However, the cost has not been unveiled. There are two noteworthy choices purchasers should make. The first is which battery to run with, and I trust that a high level of them will settle on the broadened extend choice. While it may not be a major issue at $44,000, it could get a few people who pre-requested to in any event falter, if not wipe out. In the event that a purchaser chooses to run with the broadened battery, I trust a high rate will likewise purchase the enhanced autopilot choice for $5,000 for a sum of $49,000.